always on my phone. Yeah, I hate being alone, cause then I'm always on my phone. And I don't get anything done that should rhyme, but it doesn't. Got my shower thoughts buzzing from my song. Yeah, I got my thoughts running. Yeah, I'm always on my phone. That's why I'm more productive when I'm not home. Feels like I've Stockholm Syndrome with my own phone. Cause I feel like it's killing me. Feels like I'm being held captive. I tried to jump up but I just fell backwards. Now I'm blending in with all the other rappers. Cause I imitate what I listen to. All of a sudden I'm in a different mood, in a different zone, writing different songs. Just leave me alone, just leave me alone. Always on my phone. You don't even know. You can't leave me alone, cause then I'm always on my phone. And I know it's addiction, even though it feels like it isn't. And my friends are addicted as well, even if they don't admit it. This feels like when I was addicted to sugar and I just quit it. But I don't know if I can just let it go. You get it right, I'm always on my phone, cause now it's part of society. Keep staring at the screen, no, I'll never leave it behind me. Used to always want it when I never had it, but now I really hate it cause I do the irony. Irony. I am always on my phone, maybe I just hate being alone. That's why I watch YouTube, listen to music, or keep making my own. I'm always on my phone, and maybe I just don't wanna show anyone else. Maybe I need help. And I never bring it to school, so I don't get distracted, but I don't get at it anyway. And I'm an addict already, hey, what does it matter? I'm always on my phone. That's why I started moving my homework to the kitchen, so my mom can listen to my problems, but she can't fix them. Yeah, I hate being alone, cause then I'm always on my phone. And I don't get anything done that should rhyme, but it doesn't. Got my shower thoughts buzzing from my song. Yeah, got my thoughts running, and sorry to my cousins. Yeah, they know that I love them, but you're on your phones too much as well. And yeah, I am judging, always on the phone. And now my dad is gone and my mom ain't working from home no more. But they can't leave me, cause then I'm always on my phone. I'm floating away. I used to be gold in a world full of gray, but now I'm just silver. I'm fitting right in. Guess I never was myself. Yeah, I've always been them. Always on the phone, can't be good for your health. I mean, I'm talking about me, but you need to look out for yourself. And was it my headphones that gave me tinnitus or something else? I need to focus on my schoolwork as well. Well, at this point, what's the difference between my phone and drugs? Yeah, I abuse it too much, so I don't get enough in it. Kinda gives me a buzz. I'm in a love-hate relationship that I just can't give up. Yeah, I miss the rush when I don't have it, and I kinda turned into a phone addict, and thanks for asking. No, I'm not okay. Don't have time to talk about it. Hey. No, not today. Don't stay, no stay. I know it's late. Just go away. Don't go away. I don't want that long. Please stay, cause these days I hate being alone, cause then I'm always on my phone. It's insane, I don't get anything done that should rhyme, but it doesn't. Got my shower thoughts buzzing through my brain. Yeah, got my thoughts running. Yeah, I hate being alone. That's why I'm always on my phone, and I don't get anything done that should rhyme, but it doesn't. Got my shower thoughts buzzing from my song. Yeah, got my thoughts running all night long. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.